There it goes.
It's on. Okay.
Hi!
I'm all dressed up in my Monster High shirt.
Here.
Yeah. Because I finally got Frankie Stein today from Walmart. And I didn't buy it from a scalper. I bought it directly from Walmart.com.
Yeah, I know. We were probably one of the
For $25.
One of the luckiest ones.
I ordered it back like in May, early May, or middle of May. And I finally got it today. So we're going to see for the first time what she looks like.
Yeah, I can't wait. I see the front.
I see the front. Hopefully it ain't damaged. It looks kind of smashed in right there in the box.
Here she comes.
Here she comes. Oh, Frankie. There she is. Did she come with a pet?
Yes, she did.
She came with a little vamp dog. I guess it's a vampire dog. Okay, well, she's not a vampire, but...
It would be a Frankie dog because she's...
Yeah. Here's the front. It says Boo Original Reproduction. Reproduction. And on the back, I'm going to have to keep the box. Oh, this is so cool. She comes with a little diary.
Like how
it says Monster High. I can't read this because it's all backwards for me. But should be able to read the box. Frankie Stein, looks like she's 15 years. 15 days. That says. Her pet is Watsit. Her pet is named Watsit. Yeah, it says Watsit.
That's funny.
Yeah. She comes with a little purse. Oh, the glare is kind of bad. And a journal. It says on the back what her favorite foods are. Her BFFs are Draculaura and Claudine Wolf. And she looks like she has a mixtape. New Ghoul at School mix. They used to do these when I was a kid. I don't think most millennials or Gen Z people would even know what a mixtape is. But then it has her on the side there too. I don't know. This box is...
It's too tore up.
It's a little bit tore up, but I've seen worse probably. Could have come in worse shape, I suppose. So I want to try to keep it together as much as possible.
You don't want me opening it. I'd just end up
just
tearing
ripped
it up.
it there. Okay, let's see. Looks like I'm just trying to see how they have this. Up here. Looks like it's probably been opened before. I don't know.
That's weird.
But it's from Walmart, so it just took forever to get because they had a ship date originally. Okay, it came out pretty easy. Came out. It said June something the first time, and then
it got pushed back.
Then it got pushed back a couple times, and I really didn't think I was going to get it. But I didn't want to cancel the order just because I thought, well, what if where a chance it comes. So there she is out of the box. You can see her a little bit more clear now. She's really cool. She comes with a Monster High brush, which is real cool.
She'll probably need it once she gets out of that box because it looks like they got those stupid ties in it.
Yeah, and the doll stands. Looks like, I don't know where the other part of it is. Oh, it's under the journal. Okay. Yeah. I'll get some scissors and start cutting these. And she looks so cool.
Yes, she does.
Yeah, they're charging upwards of $70, $80 nowadays for the same doll. People bought these from Walmart and proceeded to go back and sell them on Walmart.com for like crazy prices. But I got her for $25, which is what her usual price would be if you're not buying her from somebody who's reselling. So, here's a little dog. What's it? What's it's supposed to mean.
Like watts, like
Watts,
electricity.
electricity, yeah, that makes sense. Look. There's a little doggy. Look, find the camera there. What's it? He has little wings on his
He's got
back.
little freaking spikes on his head.
Yeah, it's cute. Okay. We gotta free our girl here from her
Prison.
box chains. Yeah, her box prison. It's like, oh, I've been through enough already.
That's freaking Dracula.
Oh, well, whatever. Okay. She would be from Same City, right? I don't know. Where's Frankenstein from? I don't remember. I don't know my cities or whatever these girls are from. Purse. Everybody's got to have a purse.
Yes.
It's cute. It doesn't open. No, there's no opening in it. So, but it's cute. Okay, girly girl. We're going to get you free. Hopefully, without damaging you. Do not cut me. I don't care. I'm still going to do her accent how I feel it should be. I had a rough time in box. No, that sounds like Abby Abominable. I had a rough time in the box.
Get me out of box.
Out of the box, no. I don't know. I really want an Abby Abominable. I'll say it. Abominable. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Probably all wrong. Poor girl.
God, she's like strapped in to...
Strapped in. You can't look at her hair.
Oh my god.
Hair is always the last thing to come out.
Oh yeah.
Do not cut my hair. Oh God. I'm trying not to, Frankie. I promise. Now what is you attached to? Oh my God. There's hair in the back here. Oh, okay, I see.
Oh god.
I hate those things that go in their scalp. Then you either have to push them out of the way.
She's still
I'm free.
there.
I'm free. Okay. Well, that's all that was in the box, I guess. I don't think I'm going to keep this part, but I'm going to keep the outer box. Here she is. Her hair's really soft. She's got, earring. Trying to fall out. She's pretty. You want to go grab my other Frankie Stein to compare?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I have the Frankie Stein from City of Scaris or whatever it's called. I'm just checking her outfit here. I'm not being weird. I'm just... See, she's got really good articulated. Oh, they got her. Oh, they got her strap there. I'll probably take that off. Looks like she's got a little belt with a lightning flash on it, or lightning bolt, or whatever. And here's the one I got. Oh! Okay, these are her shoes. Little high heels. Her body looks pretty much the same as far as like her. Hello, Frankie. Hello, Frankie. How are you? I'm great. How are you? My hair is greasy. I've been in here too long. Yours is new. Anyway.
Besides, lips are different colors.
The greasy hair, her lips are different color. This is the City of Scaris one. Or Scaris City of Frights. I think that's what it's called. I'll get it right.
I have the box.
Yeah, the box is over there. This is the new one. So, yeah. I mean, they look pretty much almost the same type of face mold, it looks like, but you can tell there's some minor differences. She's got the scar. Looks like the scar is bigger across her face
It
than
looks like
this
it moved
face.
a little bit.
Yeah, it looks like it moved a little bit.
And that one's like right by her eye in the old one.
Yeah, but body, I mean, they look like they measure the same height, and just the clothes are different, of course. It looks like they have their little, whatever these are supposed to be, little markings. Looks like the markings are the same on my old Frankie versus the new Frankie. So, anyways, her hair, I got this one from a Comic-Con, and it was just really, it looks like, you know, of course the glue had leaked out of her hair all those years. Whoever had her in storage, she was in a box. When I got her out of the box, her hair was greasy, looking like this. And I really don't know what else to do with it besides try to keep washing it with some Dawn dishwashing soap or something. And it kind of helps. This one's hair is really nice.
Yeah, it's really
It needs brushed.
It doesn't feel, let me feel it. It doesn't feel like it has a bunch of glue and grease in it.
No, it doesn't have any product in it that I could see, really. So I like both of these dolls. I mean, I think as far as details go, I like the old Frankie the best, but, you know, her hair just needs a redo, makeover. But I like the new one, too. I like the new one. I like her outfit.
Yeah, it's just the same one that she's wearing on my shirt, see?
Yes, I'm beautiful in the shirt. Anyways, so that's my Frankie doll video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Have a good day, girls. Have a good day, girls. We'll see you in the school.
Yes!
School.
School!
Go to school.
School!
Bye.